Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, where we showcase some of the china that we're listing currently on the Vintage and Antiques website. And a very nice period dinner plate. May have been sold as a cabinet plate as opposed to dinnerware, but they did actually sell these in quite large volumes during the 1920s and 30s. This is Royal Doulton. Let me show you the china mark. This is beautifully marked with its period lion and crown Royal Doulton made in England D6307 marks. Now 6307 was used repeatedly by Royal Doulton as an internal catalogue number, but this on that china mark with that dates this plate to 1920s through to early 1930s. A green rimmed dinner plate, as you can see, of the side elevation, and the pattern or design is usually referred to as timber cart. Wasn't actually named that officially by Royal Doulton, but they made a series of these in these sort of very rich umber, gold and orange tinges and patterns. Very stylized decoration all across the surface of the plate, right the way out to the rims. And then this particular one's just got a fine green enamel lineage on the top aspect of the rim. Round, plain rim, beautiful thing, displays really well, and the majority of these never got used heavily. And this one, if we have a look at the glaze reflection, not got a knife mark on it, so I doubt very much if this has ever been used for its intended use as a large English dinner plate. It's in fine condition. We've got no condition warnings or notes on this one at all. A beautiful piece. We've got a very similar one from the Shakespeare series, and they did, I probably think, about 7 to a dozen different designs, all in a similar sort of colour, and the full block pattern all over the surface was characteristic of this period of production. It was only produced for a relatively short period of time, probably less than 10 years, during the mid-1920s through to probably 1937, and the outbreak of the Second World War was the sort of final production period for these type of designs, which weren't then reinstated post-war. So a very nice period piece of English Royal Doulton D6307 in fine condition. All the details, measurements, pricings and everything else that you may want to know regarding this plate are on the website, and we'll put a link in the description below which will take you directly there from YouTube. So thanks very much for watching.